APHC Senior Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar has said that RSS regime, the worst enemy of humanity led by Narendra Modi, has declared a full-fledged war on the Kashmiris for demanding the fundamental right to self-determination. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the ongoing arrest spree and attachment of properties of the pro-freedom leaders by the dreaded national investigation agencies like National Investigation Agency, Enforcement Directorate, State Investigation Agency and Special Investigation Unit is yet another futile effort to intimidate the Kashmiris and create chaos and panic in the disputed territory. Delhi-controlled State Investigation Agency launched raids and searches today in different districts of the occupied Kashmir. The SIA sleuths, along with Indian paramilitary personnel, launched raids on the houses and harassed the inmates in Islamabad, Shopian and Pulwama districts of the Kashmir. The raids and searches continued till last reports came in. Protest demonstrations were held in different areas of the occupied Kashmir against the anti-people policies of the authorities. The residents of Nigli area of North Kashmir, Sopore town, protested against the Water and Power Department for its failure to provide the drinking water sources to the people. Scores of women took to the streets and blocked the Tarzu-Sopore road in Nigli area to raise their concern on the water crisis in the locality. Indian government will deploy over 60,000 additional paramilitary personnel across the occupied Kashmir for the upcoming Hindu pilgrimage, the Amarnath Yatra, scheduled to begin the next month. Government-run All India Radio reported that during the 62-day-long pilgrimage starting on July 1st, over 60,000 paramilitary personnel will be deployed from Lakhanpur, the gateway of occupied Jammu and Kashmir, to the cave of Amarnath. UK-based Kashmiri political and human rights activists have urged the international community to come forward and make efforts to the brazen crimes being committed by Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian regime in the occupied Kashmir. The speakers addressing a Kashmir conference in UK shed light on various massacres committed by the Indian troops. The speakers called for a holistic campaign to highlight their plight at the UN, Human Rights Council and other international forums. Prominent religious and political leaders in the occupied Kashmir have strongly condemned the negative portrayal of Muslims in the upcoming controversial film 72 Hure, 72 Hure, saying that the movie hurts the sentiments of the community, especially the Muslims. The film is set to be released in the Indian theatres on July 7. Grand Mufti of the occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Mufti Nasrul Islam, in a statement said it is totally controversial and hurts the sentiments of the people, especially the Muslims. We are not going to accept this title.